In this video, we are going to verify Trig identities, or we can say proving Trig identities. You're given two sides. The first thing is to check the two sides and see which one you can simplify. If I look at these two, this left-hand side can be simplified, and we are going to see whether we can be able to get the right-hand side. And once we are done, we know we have proved it. Okay, so let me go to the example. So this is going to be, I'm doing the left-hand side. So cosine of x secant is the same as 1 over cosine. So 1 over cosine of x. And all that is divided by tan of x. See, this becomes 1. So we are left with 1 of tan of x. And see, this is the same as cotangent of, x. So we have showed that both sides are equal. Okay, we go to the next one. Again, this one, I'm going to look at both sides and see which one can be simplified. And let me look at my left-hand side. Let me start with my left-hand side, see whether I can be able to get the right-hand side. So I have tan theta, which is equals to sine theta over cosine of theta plus cotangent, which is cosine of theta over sine of theta. And I need to do this, so my denominator is going to be cosine theta sine theta. And now, so this, when I divide this by that means I need to multiply both sides by sine. And when I do this by that, I need to multiply both sides by cosine. So what am I going to get? So I'm going to get sine squared theta plus cosine squared of theta. And when I do that, what do I get? See, using the Pythagorean identity, which is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, I know this is equal to 1. So all this is going to equal 1. So this is going to be 1 over cosine theta sine theta. And see, this is the same as secant theta and cosecant theta. Okay. So to solve this one, again, I'm going to look at the left-hand side. And I'm going to use, I know that 1 plus cotangent squared theta should equal cosecant squared theta. So here I'm going to write cosecant squared theta in place of cotangent squared plus 1. And see, this is the same as 1 over sine squared theta. So I have shown that both sides are equal. So same as what I have on that side. Okay, we do the last one here. Secant squared theta. So that should remind me of 1 plus tan squared theta is equals to secant squared theta. So knowing that, knowing these trig identities help you to simplify what you are given. So that means the denominator here, this is secant squared minus 1, so that leaves me with tan squared theta, and I'm dividing by tan theta, and that gives me tan of theta. And this is equal to that. So here I can write verified. And I could do the same for these ones, verified. Could do the same for each one of them.